second, making you the presenter.
Okay.
Anyone else going after Tamkunath, please raise your hand right away. If you don't have too many, then you can show it to us tomorrow. But I thought team, most of it could be done. Okay. All right. Yes, guide us please through your program.
Okay. So like as the key points what I've got from the project, it says to help to maintain a timesheet and the activities for the given period. And then first it says you have to enter the name. So from the scanner, I'm using the scanner. And then here in the main, I'm like asking enter the username, and which with the help of that with the help of the scanner, I'm saving it in username. Right? Okay, so here I can run the program and show it. 1 minute.
1 second. No, let's read the code first, then we can go through the execution.
Okay, so like with the while loop, I'm using a while loop, and here I have like declared it as a static boolean word keyword repeat as true. I've set it as true here. So like now I'm taking that repeat as true. Now when it's true, then this loop gets executed, saying that first I'm asking to enter the task to perform. So when the user enters like whatever the task, so if I'm giving like calculator task, so then it says enter that start to begin. So I type this start, and then the task starts begin, and then I'm using instant start and where the timer starts like instant now. So it gives me the time, what is the current time when the task is being started. So and then after it comes to system.print, I'm now asking enter end to finish. Now when I enter end, and then instant end is equals to instant dot now. So where then again it captures the time where the task got ended. So basically first I was getting the time when the task was being started. So I was trying to print and see what it was giving. And then again, like which I've uncommented this one, commented this one. So now again, like when I'm doing this, it was giving me just the time of start and time of end of the task. So I was not actually getting the time for the task has been performed, the duration of the task. So this part of the code will help us give the duration of the task being performed, the time for the duration, sorry, for the task to be performed. And then like again, this is after the task is over, then again it asks, do you want to perform a new task? If I say yes, again this while loop gets executed. And then if I say no, and then this if loop gets executed. And then that is equals to repeat is equals to false, and then it says that the above task which I have selected has been performed successfully. So can I run it now?
Just go up a little bit. So this while loop gets executed. Come down now after line 29. Slowly. Okay. So we have instead you taken time lapsed. Would you like to perform a new task?
Yes, this one.
Or no? Okay. So if it is a no, the code is false. And it'll wait. Okay. Yes. Go ahead with the execution, please.
Okay. Slow.
It's already in execution status.
Suppose if I'm giving a calculator task, so it says start, and then I type here start, and then I go and open a calculator, and then try to perform task whatever is needed, and then I get the task whatever I want to perform. Like I've done the calculation, and then I come back, and then I say end. So it gives me like the time what I have taken to perform the task. That's 24 seconds. Now again, it's asked me, do you want to perform a new task? If I say no, it says like the perform task has been successfully performed. And if I give here yes, it again this starts executing again.
Okay, very nice. So the good thing that you've done, Tamkunad, in this, see, a very simple flow of the program. You're going to coming till end, measuring the time, and in between whatever you task you perform. So it will tell you that this task took so and so. That's this data team, you have to store it into certain portions somewhere. So task name,
Okay.
username, time taken. All right. Now, what were the other details that we were asking from the requirement? You remember?
The first one, it says user enters the name, user enters the task, and then when the user clicks start button or enter 1 and moves on to accomplish the task.
Are you reading it? You have it in front of you here? I'm logged out of my Google account, so not able to log back in right now. Let's see. So, what are we saying?
Like it has like one more during the task it says capture the time for each task and capture random screenshots, webcam, video snippets of a screen, and then create a report. Oh no, that's the different thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the
So look at,
screenshots. Okay.
yeah. So I just sent you a link on GoToMeeting. Can you look into that once? On GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar.
Yeah. Stack Overflow. Okay.
Open that link for all of us, please. Here we go. So team, this is a very simple code on how we can capture a screenshot using Java. So you can use the one here, buffered image equals new robo. Can you copy these two lines for now?
Actually, I've done with that in a different program.
I see. Okay, so good. What you should do, team, all of you, look at the same concept, similar concepts, the couple of options there, and you can try and also take screenshots. This is capture screen. Okay. Keep going down.
I was facing little problems with this execution.
Where is the file name? Where will you put it?
This one, like here over while calling in the main, I was like giving.
But you're saying new file name, correct? On line 28.
This one.
Yeah, where is file name in this? Show me that.
Okay, this one. Oh yeah, so I think I have to write down the snip.png over here too. Right?
No. Scroll up, please. Where is file name? I asked. Okay. When I asked file name, what is file name? It is a variable. Where will you search for the variable? Go to the top and first see if it's defined. Scroll up all the way for me, please. Expand. Okay. So these are the import statements you have not defined. How come file name you're sending is coming in on line 22 as an input, correct?
This one.
Line 18, you have to set entire C drive : / snip.png. Or you could put one / with snip.png, it will put it into the same thing. So get a path there and execute to me for me.
Hello, sorry, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat it again?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Give the path on line 18 instead of just a file name, Tamkunad.
Okay, over here.
Yes, please. The C colon backslash slash C colon 2 backslashes. No, that's forward slash. Use 2 backslashes. Now it will go to your C drive. Okay, if this is where you want. When execute, we will know what's going right or wrong. Can't create an image output stream. IO exception, line 18. Same line 28. 1 second. What are we doing there? I.jpg. Image IO.write. Say here JPG and also the file JPG. Now execute again, please. Same thing. Can't create image output stream. I don't know why it's not creating it at your end. What's wrong with the path? Open your Explorer. Give me control for your machine, Tamkuna.
Okay.
You all see me how I do things. You all observe it so keenly. How you're not able to debug. So quickly I try and do debug. First thing, open up your C drive. Go to your C and see if there's anything here. If there's nothing, at least once create a junk folder and say that I want to put some screenshots here. How are we documenting? How are we going at, team? So now you have this. So I will take this part and I'll put that. Maybe it is not letting you put anything in C drive by itself. And inside that, I'll create a snip.png. Sorry, snip.jpg. Now screenshot snip.jpg. Let me see. When things are not running, you have to try a lot of things immediately, team. The basic thing is structuring. Where should I put it? Where do I want to put it? How will it look at that time? Where is it? All that. Once you do things correctly, you will not fail. Say I went, where do I want to put it? Where should I put? Why thinking so much? Go open up your Explorer, open up your C drive, create a sample folder, then see. Now you see a snip.jpg coming up. You see that? That is what we took. Now, what you need to do is this, team, and this is very interesting what you've done. Till here you have done it, but you did not fix small ones. That was the only remaining thing that we are doing here, nothing else. Now the same capture screen can also be copied from here, for example, just showing you. And we can take that into, what was the other one? Assign2. All right, and I'll put that. Okay, you know what? I have another method. My main method is below. And here capture screen. Now, what is important here is capture screen. Okay, indents were missing. Yeah, here. See, I didn't know that they were under main. 1 second. Okay. Now, anywhere during this time, we will take a screenshot. So, like you called here, we'll call the same one here. capture screenshot. So at this point, you're saying capture screenshot. What time we don't know. I'll say red dot. Sleep for 2 seconds. The reason I'm trying to do it on your machines is so that I get a good perspective of how you've approached or done anything. And I also get to know how you're learning. Otherwise, I don't get to see it. So this way I can see what you're doing, how you're doing, and guide. So I'm doing 3 screenshots, 2 seconds apart, 3 seconds apart, and maybe 5 seconds apart. And this I'll say is snip 1. Here is snip 2. And another one is snip 3. And so 3 screenshots. This may throw an exception. So in the main itself, throws exception, that goes to main method. And here it gets called. So even this should be able to throw an exception, right? Capture screen. Or red dot sleep is in here. There's no sleep there. So everything else looks good. As of now, these are hard coded. 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Let us see if it takes, and then we will end it after 10 seconds. Okay. 10-15 seconds, let us play around something. Now, assign 2, correct? Do you think anything else that I need to do? Or can we run? Can you execute it for me now, please?
Okay.
And team, the reason I'm doing this along with Tamkunar is because it's coming into shape. Most of it is there. Okay. And not verifying also, so it'll take anything, I believe, right?
Yeah.
But take few more, please. Not yet.
Okay.
Because we need at least 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Go to your Google, go to your System Explorer where the screens are coming, please. Let us see what's coming there. It's taking. Okay, I think now it has taken already all the 3. So close it now. You can open up the, let's open up the screenshots and look at it. I mean. Okay, so that was the first one. Then second.
This was second.
This was second, yeah.
This was third.
This was third. So it did this for us, team, and each time it took a screenshot and kept it. Now you can make it randomly, and when it is taking screenshot, it is not even disturbing what you're doing, correct?
Yes.
Going on like a shadow program in the background until you come back here and say enter and finish. So here, if I say no, then it will come up. Let me try and re-execute this. It looks good, team. So here, and then task to perform, start. And then, task. Sorry, start. 1 second, team. Okay, and now it must be taking. So I'll say, let's open up. Maybe it's continuously taking screenshots, team. So we don't know where it may be taking screenshots or where it may not. We just have the timer. Now all you have to do is add that additional things to it. So the only thing you want to be careful is I hope it's overwriting it. Because what happens is, see, this is 921, 29, 30, 30, right? I don't think it has overwritten them. Not sure. Let's see the details. It's still the same time, 929, 930, 930. The reason being, let's see actually. Maybe because these are already open team for us, so it could not write on. If I close these pictures that we opened, let's try and look at them also once. This looks like the ones you took, right, Bhargavi, earlier? Sorry,
Yes.
Ankna? Yes, so these were the original ones. These are not the latest ones. So let's see what is happening. I'm guessing they must not be getting overwritten. So close window. Now let us try and re-execute once again. I'm not deleting those files. I'm just re-executing. So can I stop this? Yes, I can stop it. The task to perform. 81. Okay, so here, then what I will do is, yeah, I think I just minimize these that way. At least I get to see a few things. And I still don't see them getting completed yet. See, the timestamp is the same. So we need to see how it has to overwrite. Maybe that's a problem. Now, if I didn't have those, sorry, one second. My system. Okay, so now what we will try, let's see. Just to re-verify. Yeah, this was from the previous one, 9:30. We're already at 9:30. Let's delete them. Maybe it is not overwriting team. So if it is not overwriting, what can we do to our code to overwrite? In fact, the best is if you know the time to add that to it, that way it will be always unique. So see, you have your end that's coming from that. I can say snip1 dot plus end. I don't know what format it comes. Let us see, we'll know it. So this will each time give a unique output to us when I put this in this format. Sorry, one second. Okay, a little bit had to play around. Plus dot data. Now we are each time it should be giving something unique. I'm just assuming we don't know. Let's see now. Control Z there. Come on. Control Z. Okay. Say run now. I have to press start to begin, is it?
Yeah, we have to start.
Say start or anything, in fact. Now it is going to be doing those specific calculations. So let's observe and see what it does. The screenshots itself a little different at doing. I don't know if there's an error coming up, team. See, there's no screenshots coming here. Why are there no screenshots coming up? Maybe it needs to be refreshed. No? Add anything, team? I was just trying to make it one. Let's end and then we'll know. Can't create an image output stream. Now we're getting some error. It says your exception. The file name directory or volume label syntax is incorrect. So this is how it's coming. See the entire date. Do you see this? With the hyphen and all this, and that's why it was not able to create these teams. So this is not a very valid one. What you need is a better way to put something so it won't overlap or override. So as of now, no end. Send here. But each time before the execution, just delete it. And I'm showing you, team. I'll show you how we will capture the time, split it, take what is essential, unique, and then be able to do it. Regular fashion should not be a problem, team. And by doing this, you could also observe if it's coming. Wow, earlier it was coming. I don't know why it's not coming now. Something I was doing with the code itself, team. Maybe that was messing it up. And I'm switching off from your system to my system and I do all that. Where is our system here? And now it is taking. See, and now do you see that? That's the problem, team. The screenshots are being taken after the end task. It should come actually. I'm sorry. Between, during the task. And that is why we did not get the screenshots visible. Okay, so I have thread.sleep, 2, 3, 5 seconds, and snip1, snip2, snip3. And at this point, let us see, we should have those 3 screenshots. Updated 640, 640. Yes, it was. Okay, very, very good script, Tampana. You were almost there. I just tried to put them together into one. And this is a very good one. Now, it's random. Make random between 1 to 20 seconds. Or I'll say 10 to 30 seconds. So anywhere, let's say 1 to 10 seconds. It will be easy for us to debug. 1 to 10 seconds. Random sleep between 1 to 10 seconds. So the user is not aware as to where the screenshot is being taken. It could be any time within those 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, it's taking a screenshot and it's putting it into that folder. And if the folder is there as is, I want to run once more and see if it overwrites it. So the same code as is, let's run again. Now it will start capturing screenshots, I believe. So let it do those screenshots. And it's taken it, and I'm assuming that it should also be reflecting the same in our screenshot folder. So let's see now. Did it get updated? I'm not sure, team. Let us finish that code. And whatever it will take. No, it's fine. Successfully done. Let us now look at the screenshots. See, the updated time is still 9:40. It is not the latest. I don't think it's override team. That's what I'm assuming. All right. So look at how you want to override. If you're not able to override, then add a timestamp to it. That way it can come back to see when it was done.
Okay.
Very good code. Thank you, Kunal.
Thank you.
Please do fine tune it and share it. Fine tune it in sense a little bit, whatever you're doing, and share it back. I'll put it into the collection.
Okay.
Really happy. Anyone else, team? No one else presented, team? All right, then I'll see you tomorrow, team. If there's no one else presenting, I will take Thamkunath's code and fine tune it so we can see what is being done. But it was a good logic, team. I really wished and hoped that you would work on it. That's fine. You know, there's so much that we're doing as training, so it must be a little overwhelming sometimes. All right, so let's meet up tomorrow. I still have an hour and a half of training, so I'll not deviate into this project work. I wanted to practice. There are a couple more tasks and assignments that I wanted to give in Java. Let's finish the regular one, the topics tomorrow, team, then we'll finish this. Take care, everyone. Bye then. Bye.